Today I'm going to talk about how to check cache disable enable in DevTools. We will talk about browser cache first. Let's get started. Let me open a website. This is a website, and then go to right click on the screen and then go to inspect. You can see so many options there. Click on network, and here you can see all the network. Let me refresh it so I can see all the resources. So here you can see so many resources. So here is a one of option, disable cache, enable cache. So you suppose you want to disable it. So what it will do, in the size section you will see that the resources are coming from your cache memory, your system or hard drive or memory drive, and you can see these files have browser cache enabling. So you can easily see. Sometimes it takes very minor bytes. This is also a you can say cached in browser. So you can see again and again, and here you can see one difference. The waterfall is very thin. That means these files are coming from browser cache. And you can enable size. If you not able to see any option, you can enable all options from here. Domain, method, status, size, right, waterfall. So here is a waterfall. And second cache is, suppose I click here, you can see this is a CDN cache. This is server side cache. So if you have a static website or static content, you can use any CDN and enable cache, or here you can see hit your cache is coming from CDN. And if you want to see browser cache expiry, you can see here. And you can also see in page speed insight tool, and but here you can easily see, you don't need to run any web page in any tool. So you can see this is in a second. If you talk about days, maybe it's 1 year or 30 days something. So easily you can add check cache, browser cache and CDN cache. So this is the way you can check all this. So thank you so much. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.